Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a minimum purchasable quantity of your products on WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you guys this page right here, which is the documentation for the Min-Max Quantities app, which you do need for this. It is officially created by Woo, so you can use it freely without any worry about it working as it should. And yeah, I'll be using this since I don't have a WooCommerce subscription, nor can I afford this subscription either. And it would be useless since I don't have WooCommerce. But yeah, I'll be using this documentation. It's very good, so you should check it out yourself if you want any other information. It's again called Min-Max Quantities. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do is first install it. Once you subscribe and purchase it, go into your admin, go plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose the zip file that you downloaded, and then click install now and activate it. You do need WooCommerce 8.2 and greater, PHP 7.4 and greater, and WordPress 6.2 and greater. So just keep that in mind. But after you're done with that, you can go ahead and configure everything. Under the product, just go into edit the product, then navigate to product data and go to general, and then go to quantity rules. After you scroll down, you'll find it. It looks something like this. You have the minimum quantity, the maximum quantity, the group of, which is multiples, and exclude from, and you can configure either of these to your wishes. You then just click save, and that should be pretty much it. Now, you can also set up variation rules, and if combined variations is disabled, it is possible to define different sets of quantity rules for individual variations. So you just need to go to product data variations, locate the variation you need, take the quantity rules box, and edit the minimum or maximum quantity depending on what your wishes are. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.